Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily close or delete your account in Trading212. So there is actually one way how you can do it. If you go on the support page, you're gonna see to deactivate and close the active account, you need to send the email to info.trading212. So what you need to do is just compose a new email. Compose a new email to info trading, how it's called, trading.com, subject, close account, and then close all your current open positions, withdraw the remaining balance. If there are any funds left, they can also refund to the same payment method you have used for your deposits. And this is it. Do this, and then just write email. Hey there, I would like to close account at your service, and just add your information, your mail, also even like what kind of stocks you were trading, whatever, and they will close your account. Maybe they will ask you for some verification. At least that's how it should be, but this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody, have a great day and goodbye.